Welcome to my YouTube cookery channel. I am Suresh Rao from Cochin. Today I am going to show you a recipe of typical Kerala style, that is dates pickle. There are plenty of styles, but Kerala style is a bit different. Let us see what all ingredients we need for preparing the same. I am taking the measurement for half kg of dates. Now this is half kg of date. For that they needed salt, 50 grams of honey, 6 spoon of vinegar, and one thing which I want to explain now regarding vinegar is that instead of vinegar we can use tamarind pulp also. But in Kerala, here as coconut is abundant, this vinegar is made out of coconut water and it is widely used as a item for preparing pickle. You can find such things only in Kerala. The rest of the place they prepare by using tamarind pulp. So that is the main difference in preparing pickle. The rest of the items are little coconut oil, 2 spoon of mustard, 1 spoon of asafoetida, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, little curry leaves, 2 spoon of red chilli flakes, around 8 numbers of green chilli, and around 2 spoon of ginger as well as garlic paste. Now let us see how to prepare. Now my pan as well as the oil is preheated. Now we will just start the process. I am going to add this mustard. Now I am going to add the asafoetida, that is ing. Now I am going to add this ginger as well as garlic paste. Now I am going to add this turmeric powder. Now I am going to add this green chilli. It's okay if it is half cooked, because at final everything gets cooked fully. Now we will add this curry leaves. Now we will add this red chilli flakes. Now towards this we will add this dates. Now you are going to go on saute it for some time. Now the dates is almost cooked properly. Now we will add this salt as well as the honey. Now stir well. In this particular item we have not added any water, so no water content is there. So this can retain for months together. If you just keep it in a cool and dry place, this will never get spoiled. Now finally I am going to add this vinegar. That is because it is on Kerala style. Really adding vinegar gives you a very good aroma and taste. Now our dates pickle is ready. We will just shift it to a bowl. Dates pickle is ready. As I told you, no preservatives is added, just natural items only added, and this can be used along with curd rice, chapati, dosas, veg biryani, etc. etc. So I hope everybody enjoyed this particular video. So if you liked it, please comment on the comment box, like, share. Have a nice day. Thank you.